In this video, you will learn how to fix hidden option missing on Photos app on iPhone. Many people have experienced this issue where the hidden album is not visible. This can be frustrating, especially if you want to keep some photos private. I will guide you through simple steps to get it back so that you can access it again. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, look for the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Photos. After hitting search, select Photos from the results that appear below. Now, scroll down until you find an option called Show Hidden Album. Next, simply toggle on the switch next to Show Hidden Album. Once this setting is enabled, your hidden album will become visible in your Photos app. Now that you've enabled it, let's verify that everything worked correctly. Open up your Photos app and navigate to the Utilities section. You should now see an option called Hidden. If you still don't see your hidden album after following these steps, make sure your iOS is updated. Sometimes software glitches can interfere with features like these. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.